Hey YouTube family, I hope you are doing good. So most of the people who are watching this video are affiliate marketers. I'm gonna tell you something about myself. Myself Saksham Mahajan. I'm a professional affiliate marketer and I'm doing affiliate marketing in different platforms, different digital platforms, and I am a six-figure earner. Okay, so the main motive of today here is this, that I want you to give something very important from this video, and that is mindset, because mindset plays a very important role no matter in which business you are working, but mindset is the key to your growth. Okay, before starting the important points, I have written down all of the important points in my diary right here. But first I want to tell you this, that I am not that much compatible in English, but most of the people recommended me that they wanted this video to be particularly in English, because some of the peoples in my team and other team members team, they don't understand Hindi. They are from like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. That's why they are not able to understand Hindi. That's why I'm recording this video in English. So please mind if I do like some mistakes over there. Okay, so I have written some of the points down here in my notes. Okay, and you have to like follow and implement all of the things which I am telling you. Okay, don't take this like 30 minutes video like very seriously. It's very important, and I'm gonna assure you this, that this video is gonna like, if you will follow all of the steps which I will tell you right now, not today, if you will follow all of the steps and implement them on a daily basis, you will achieve like 6 figures, 7 figures like very soon. I am assuring you this. Okay, so the first of this, that the first point is you have to give your business a priority. Okay, let's say most of the peoples now who are top achievers in this business now, who are top achievers, who are like earning in lakhs. Okay, so there is a difference between those achievers and those people who are not earning that amount of money, and that is they are giving their business a topmost priority. From your mind now, from the moment you are waking up in the morning now, and from the moment you are going to sleep in your bed, there is a thing called like your about your business growth. Now there are like a certain thoughts that should revolve in your mind. You have to keep thinking about your business growth, like how I'm gonna like take this business to our next level, what will be my next strategies, how I'm gonna talk to the like next lead. Okay, so in the like, if you, no matter if you are doing a job, or if you are a fitness trainer, or if you are a college student, but in the meantime you have to think about this business, because my friend, money is very important, and this business is gonna give you the money, the desirable amount of money which you need. So you have to give this business a priority, that in your mind, apart from like your gym and physique, there are some things related to this business that should revolve in your mind, that how I'm gonna like, what will be my next step to like grow in this business. So you have to give this business a topmost priority in your life. Okay, the second point is, and that is very important, that you have to like understand about the company, the things that this company is providing. No matter in which platform you are working, you must be working in BizGurukul, you must be working in Grow Partner or in LeadZak, but you have to understand, if you want to sell your company, like your company's product, then you have to understand about your company. Okay, the things your company is providing, and no matter like in which platform you are working, when you will go to your website, try to don't go on the like courses only. Try to explore the website also, because in your website now there are so many things which you don't like, which you haven't like explored yet. So you have to like explore the website also. Try to grab the important points, or like all of the points that is like written in the website, because it will help you somewhere or like nowhere. It will definitely help you when you are talking with your customer. Okay, and you can get this like when you are like open the leadzark.com website. So in the about us section, you are gonna find everything related to this website. So you have to like understand like what your company is providing you. Okay, and more importantly, you have to have a build a belief on your company. See, most of the peoples now, if there are like 100 peoples now in Leadzak, if there are like 7,000 people who like right now, there are like must 19,000 people who are working in Leadzak. Okay, and there are so many people, I don't know about the Leads like Biz Gurukul and other platforms, but there are so many people who are working in affiliate platforms, in these affiliate platforms. Okay, and so many people are like earning also, they are earning a good amount of money. Okay, so you have to believe that if you are not earning right now, then it is not your mistake, but you haven't like explored all of the things yet. Okay, so you have to understand that you have to like know about, you have to like teach yourself, you have to learn first about the company. That's how you're gonna like your belief in your company is gonna build up, and that's how you're gonna like talk to your customers with a proper clarity. Okay, so the third point is this, that you have to understand about your company's product. You have to understand, see, let's say for example, when we are talking about LeadZakna, so everybody knows that, even your client knows that there are three products of LeadZak: Light, Standard and Pro, and also you and me also know. But you know what is the difference between me and you? Like, I know everything, like what LeadZak Light product is providing, like what is the training material in LeadZak Light, what is the training material in LeadZak Standard, and what is the training material in LeadZak Pro. So you have to understand everything about your product also. You don't have like, not only like just tell this your client that there is some product of LeadZak and there are three products of LeadZak, one is Light, Standard and Pro, and you have to buy this. No, you also have to like tell the benefits of those product. You have to tell that like in a Light plan there is like a plan, like a course of attraction marketing. In Standard plan there is a course of sales mastery by Shivam Gupta. In Pro there is a like a course by Shabir Ahmed Khan, Divya Asrani. Okay, so you have to understand the, you have to go in the depth of like your training product also. Okay, that's how you're gonna level up your mindset. Okay, so the fourth point here is this, that you have to behave like a authority. See, I'll tell you, my friend, if you have like joined in this company now, then you are learning a lot of things which your like rest of the friends or like clients are not learning, because they are not enrolled yet. So when I will compare you and your client, so you will be on the higher level. Okay, so that's how you are like authority here. You know all the things which your client doesn't know. So you have to like, you be the opportunity giver. You have to behave yourself like you know everything related to this business. Your client knows nothing. If you will let your client like speak like this, not that like your client is saying that I know this, I know that, then you're gonna lose the sale. But you have to talk like a authority, that you know everything related to your business, your client knows nothing. Okay, so you have to behave like a authority always. Okay, and the fifth point is very very important, my friend, very very important, and that is mindset. Mindset is everything, no matter in which field you are going. But if you are going with a poor mindset now, then trust me on this, you will not earn anything in this life. You will not earn anything in this life. That is like, I am like giving you a written guarantee today. Okay, so you have to change your mindset. Like, you have to like you have to change your poor mindset from a like a rich mindset. You know what is a rich mindset? Let's say for example, when you are talking with a lead. Okay, so there are so many people who are like talking now, so they have a belief, like the top achievers have a belief that like they are good in selling. They know like they know like their communication skills are really good. Okay, and that's why they know that somewhere or like nowhere they have given their best, and like in the future this lead is gonna definitely convert. That is called a mindset of a top achiever. But when I will give you your mindset, before calling a client you must be thinking like this, that like this sale is not gonna happen, I don't know anything. This is called a like poor mindset. You know what is a rich mindset? The rich mindset says always like says that, I always says this to myself, that I deserve more money, I deserve more money, I deserve more knowledge. I am like learning all of these things. That's why I deserve more money. I have invested my money in this platform which the rest of the crowd is not doing. That's why I deserve money. This is called a rich mindset. You always have to like think in your mind about the positive things, not on the negative things. When you will start focusing on the negative now, your life will also become negative. So you have to start like focusing on the positive things in your business. That is called like a rich mindset. So focus on the mindset, focus on the mindset. Mindset is the only thing that is going to help you scale up your business. Okay, the sixth point is also very important, and that is you have to keep your mindset of learning mindset should always be there. See, you have to talk with those people in your community, in your business, who are already earning a good amount of money. See, there is a like definite guarantee in like in LeadZakna there are so many people who are earning a lot of money, and there are some people who are not even earning a penny. Okay, they are not even earning a penny. So when you will talk to those people now who are not even earning a money, then like they will demotivate you. Okay, but when you will talk to a like a top achievers now, or a guy like me who is earning a good amount of money, you will automatically get our vibe, you will automatically feel like motivated. And that's how you have to keep your learning attitude. You don't have to like talk with those people who are not even earning a like single penny. You have to take learning, and you have to like make your inspiration of those people who are like earning a good amount of money, like top achievers like Shivam bhai, Raj bhai, RN Chaturvedi, Mohit bhai. So these are the people who you have to look up, and that's how you are gonna change like your attitude of learning. Okay, this point which I'm telling you right now is very very important, and that is that you don't have to compare yourself with other people's. If you're starting like let's say for example, there is a guy who has joined with me yesterday, okay, and if he is like comparing his knowledge with mine, then obviously he will feel demotivated. So that is the thing that you don't have to do. You have to take inspiration and never giving up attitude from the top achievers, but you don't have to compare yourself and your earnings from like if you have joined earlier, then you don't have to compare your earnings like till now. If the guy who is earning like 4 lakh rupees per month, then he has like spent a lot of time on his learning. That's why he is earning that much, and you haven't learned like single training course till now. And then like that's like how you are expecting that you are gonna earn that amount of money. So don't compare yourself, it will like leave you in a demotivative state. Okay, more importantly, there is a point on which I am going to talk about, and this and that point is this, that this business now is will give you money and all the things which you need in your life only on a single condition: when you will give all of the things that this business need to this business. This business needs consistency. This business of affiliate marketing needs consistency, my friend. So you have to be consistent on a daily basis. You have to follow all of the steps which your mentor is telling you on a daily basis, and that's how you are going to be consistent, and that's how you are going to like earn money from this business. This is the key point that you have to understand. You have to give all of the things which this business needs, and after like following all of the things, when you will give all of the things that this business needs, this business is going to give you all of the things which you need, and that is money. So start giving time on a like a daily basis to this business, and follow all of the steps and strategies with a consistently mind. And trust me on this business is gonna like fill your mind with loads of money. I am assuring you this, I am assuring you this. Okay, more importantly, if you want to grow in this business now, you have to like build a momentum of lead generation. Lead generation is very important. If you are not getting like if you are not getting in contact now on a daily basis with like 10 to 15 people now, so forget about that. You are not able, like forget about like 1 lakh rupees or like per month, or like 2 lakh rupees per month. You have to build yourself a momentum of lead generation, and that's how after that, following all the strategies of follow up or like prospecting, you are going to get the desirable amount of from your business. So you have to focus on lead generation. You have to contact on a daily basis to target audience of yours, and that's how you're gonna like build your income. This is the very important step, and we'll talk about lead generation in the like next video. But you have to understand that lead generation is very very important, and you have to focus on lead generation only. Simple as that. I hope you are doing good. So I know this video was little bit boring, but you have to understand that this video can change your life. Follow all of the steps which I am telling you right now. Follow all of the steps, and if you think that like you don't understood anything, you didn't understood anything, then I have like mentioned my Instagram bio below. You can like take a like drop a message in my Instagram link, and I'll surely give you a reply. Okay, bye bye.